YS Sachan's wife writes to the DIG alleging her husband was murdered to shield some persons in high places and that he was killed for knowing too much. She also stated Dr. Sachan knew a lot about corruption in the department. Now the question that's being asked here once again is the Mayawati government trying to protect someone who was behind the scam that led to these horrific murders? This is now YS Sachan's wife writing to the DIG just a moment after the Allahabad High Court has been approached by his family asking for an investigation in the entire murder. Now that it's been found after the post-mortem report has indicated this in fact was a murder and not a suicide like was earlier stated by some experts. The opposition party is also up in the arms asking the same questions. Let's go across to Sanket Upadhyay who's joining us in this story. Sanket, the clear question here, is the Mayawati government trying to protect someone who was behind the scam that led to these murders?
In my hand a copy of a letter that has been written by the Sachans to the DIG of Lucknow, in which they urge that there is definitely foul play. This is not just an open and shut and a simple case of suicide. This is definitely a case of murder, and thus the investigations should be done on similar lines. So the press conference that is expected to be held in another 15 minutes from now would definitely be doing a lot of firefighting on behalf of the state government. Remember, ever since this incident has happened, the Chief Minister Mayawati has not spoken out. She has not spoken on this entire issue. She has been fielding her bureaucrats. She has been fielding her trusted aides as far as doing the firefighting is concerned. Yesterday, Shashank Shekhar Singh, who's the Cabinet Secretary of Uttar Pradesh, he in fact spoke to the media at length, where he said that prima facie this is definitely a case of suicide, not a case of murder, but then the investigation is on. Very little, it seems, would change in the official position of the UP government in 24 hours or less than 24 hours, when now the Principal Secretary Home is expected to hold a press conference. But then yes, all eyes will be on any explanation that comes from here on as far as the state government is concerned, because remember, this is perhaps for the first time in the past 4 years that the Mayawati government has invited a lot of trouble, not just from the political class here in UP, which she has in fact been able to shut up for the past 4 years, but from the common people here on the ground who are very upset with the way things are going on.